We have reviewed quite a lot of robot vacuums the last few years, and we have also witnessed the evolution of the industry. The market is so competitive that we are seeing new features popping up, but smarter and more effective options also mean higher prices. So we are also on the lookout for versatile models with great value for money. The young brand YEEDI has been on the list for a couple of years, and today we have a new robot vacuum from YEEDI, the M12 Pro Plus. This compact model has the ability to solve all the cleaning problems. Now, we have prepared some cards here with some issues people have, and let's see how this M12 Pro Plus solves these issues for you. First up, clean the corners, please. Robot vacuums are supposed to clean a whole house without you doing anything, but limited by the form factor, they were just not doing the best job when they meet the corners or some complicated areas. So the newest solution offered on this YEEDI robot vacuum is this adaptive arm mop. Generally speaking, it can clean your whole house, I mean literally every inch of the house. As you can see, when this vacuum sees a 90-degree dead corner, it will automatically rotate the body, stretch the right mop pad out, mop along both sides of the corner. When it meets a table leg, it will do the same, and the result is very satisfying. I don't know how you feel about this feature, but I think it is a killer feature that every robot vacuum should have. Let's see how other brands are catching up with it. Next, must have higher suction power. Okay, let's put it in perspective. We normally see suction power over 10,000 power on a handheld stick vacuum. You know, that's handheld, not robot. But since 2023, the suction power has entered the 8,000 power era, which was a huge improvement. Now in 2024, we have this 11,000 power from the M12. I would never doubt how well it works when I see the number. In real-time use, it does perform extremely well. Some small debris and crumbs cannot create any trouble for it, and it can pretty much take all of them in one go. Now the third one, I want no hair on the floor and I don't want to clean hair off the vacuum. This is actually a big one for many people. If there's a lady or a pet in the house, there will be a lot of hair on the ground. It could be a pain in the butt if your robot vacuum cannot deal with it. So what's the solution from this robot vacuum? Basically, the V-shaped roller brush and the combs are doing the job efficiently. Unlike others, the brushes are actually anti-static, so the hair does not stick on. And the roller is V-shaped, so it helps with the hair going to the center for further processing. Under the roller, there are two rows of combs to help with the hair separation. Once the hairs are separated, they will immediately sucked into the dust bag by the strong suction power. Now, let's try this feature out. Can you believe that? The hair was gone. V-shaped roller, victory in hair cleaning. Yes. Lastly, can't live without an OMNI station. As we said earlier, a station that has OMNI in the name must be an all-around multifunctional one. And this 48 centimeters or about 90 inches tall all-in-one station is also a mighty OMNI station. Before we talk about the functions, you must know that it is very compact. It is the smallest you can find in this market right now. It can fit into very tight spaces. If you live in an apartment, this will help you a lot. So this OMNI station supports 70 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, smart auto emptying, hot air drying, one-click self-cleaning, auto tank refill, and a detachable base. We don't need to talk too much about them as these are kind of a standard for premium robot vacuum already, and it just saves a lot of work for human beings. We just need them. There are still some bonus features. For example, quick and precise mapping and obstacle avoidance help the robot vacuum do its job well on the floor. The M12 can finish mapping in just a few minutes, and there's a good support for multi-floor mapping. You can save 3+1 maps on app. The vacuum can auto-recognize maps and auto-switch between maps. If you want it to work upstairs, it can also automatically recognize steps to prevent falling. And if you have carpet in the house, the mop pads can also lift up to 9mm to prevent the carpet from getting wet. Another interesting feature is that you can initiate the whole house cleaning by a gently kick at the bumper with your foot. It's sort of like a quick command, quite convenient actually. Make sure you try this at home. There's a lot of fun while interacting with it. Here I just show you some examples. You could probably find more smart features when you have it in your home. Okay, at the end of the day, has the YEEDI M12 Pro Plus solved all the problems we mentioned? The answer is yes, and it's probably doing better than we thought. The extended robotic arm mop, the zero hair tangling tech, and over-the-roof suction power are the major highlights of the robot vacuum. And of course, there are also the True Mapping 2.0 and True Detect 3D 3.0 on this robot vacuum, which can help with high-efficiency path planning and precise obstacle avoidance. These just make it a well-rounded, ton of value-packed cleaning machine for any household. So currently, this machine is in pre-order session, available from 25th March. A simple email sign-up will get yourself a free 1 liter of detergent offered as a gift. And if you purchase this YEEDI M12 Pro Plus robot vacuum on the 25th April, there will be an exclusive $100 discount just from this video. How good is that? Forgive me if these info are too long. It is because we do think the M12 has the value you are looking for. And if you're interested in it, check out the link down below. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.